Most people eat right before bed and wonder why their body never fully recovers. Here are 5 foods that actually repair your body while you sleep.
Number 1, tart cherry. Studies show it raises your melatonin levels by 134%. That is not a small increase. That means deeper sleep. Number 2, kiwi. A randomized clinical trial found it cuts the time it takes you to fall asleep by 35%. Number 3, pumpkin seeds, loaded with magnesium.
Your muscles and your nervous system need magnesium to repair themselves while you sleep. Most people are deficient in it.
Number 4, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. They boost survival.
This one surprises people. Walnuts are the only food on earth that naturally contains melatonin. Not a supplement, the actual compound. You do not need all 5. Pick 2 of these. Eat them 90 minutes before bed. Your sleep quality and your recovery both change within 3 days.
Most people don't know how to become more attractive. Here are 5 foods that will make you more handsome. Number 1, salmon. Omega-3s reduce skin inflammation and give you a clearer, healthier complexion. Number 2, carrots and nuts. Chewing tough foods daily builds your jawline. Science calls it masseter hypertrophy. Number 3, dark chocolate. Flavonoids boost blood flow to your skin and eyes, making both look more alive. Number 4, eggs. Biotin and protein in egg yolks make your hair thicker and stronger within weeks. Number 5, strawberries. Malic acid naturally whitens your teeth without chemicals. Your face is a reflection of what you eat. 5 foods that double your energy before 10 a.m. Number 1, eggs. The choline in egg yolks directly fuels acetylcholine. Number 2, oats. Slow digesting carbs keep your blood sugar flat so you don't crash at 10 a.m. Number 3, blueberries. A 2019 study found they improve memory and focus. Number 4, Greek yogurt. The tyrosine in it is what your body converts into dopamine and adrenaline. Number 5, black coffee with no sugar. The best food before the gym is banana. The best food before a meeting is dark coffee. The best food before studying is walnuts. The best food before sleep is kiwi. The best food before sex is watermelon. What happens to your body when you walk 10,000 steps every day for 30 days? Day 1 to 7. Your cortisol, the stress hormone, drops measurably. You sleep deeper. You wake up more recovered. Dopamine baseline rises. You feel less anxious, calmer, more in control. Save this video. Start tomorrow. Your future body is built one step at a time.